Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. Please, please, please subscribe for me if you all don't mind. And in today's video, I am going to be walking you all through my horrible experience using this gel from Urban Hydration. I mean, this was awful. This was like the worst gel I've ever used in my entire life. And we are going to get into all of that. So if you guys are ready for this roller coaster of a wash and go, then please stay tuned. And like I said in the beginning, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and like button. Let's proceed. Now, the one thing that puzzled me the most about how horrible this wash and go turned out was the fact that the two products that are flaking are both from the same brand and they're from the same line. Like, they're both from the same honey collection that Urban Hydration has. So I don't know, like, what's in these people's formulas, to where like two products that both of you guys made that are both from your factory, both similar in formula, could still flake when paired together. Like, that puzzled me completely. And my spirits were up. My hopes were super high. You know what I'm saying? Because I wasn't expecting for this wash and go to turn out as horribly as it did. I'm showing you guys the consistency of the gel. It was a super moisturizing gel. It almost reminded me of like aloe vera. They kind of have like the similar look. And I just used my same old regular process. I spread some water, followed it up with a leave-in conditioner, and then lastly I put on the gel. And it was defining so beautifully. I didn't need a whole lot of product in order for me to start to see definition. It was defining. It was doing the work, my hopes were so high, so high. I was hopeful, you know what I'm saying? I didn't think anything like this would occur. But one thing that I noticed about the leave-in conditioner is that, and also their deep conditioner. If you guys watched my transformative wash day video, you guys know, like, even though I said the deep conditioner was good, the one thing that I didn't like was how watery the consistency felt. It just felt like I was adding extra water on my already wet hair. It didn't feel like moisture. You know what I'm saying? And that's exactly how I felt with the leave-in conditioner as well. Like, the leave-in conditioner didn't feel moisturizing. It just felt like water. And water, even though, it can give you moisture, it's not meant to moisturize your hair. It's just meant to hydrate it. You know what I'm saying? Like, the leave-in conditioner is supposed to be the moisturizing element. That is what's supposed to be, that is what's gonna, keep all that moisture in place, because water eventually dries. That's why it's not a reliable moisturizer. But it looks like these products are heavily water-based. Like, I don't even know why they felt the need to put the amount of water that they do in their products, because their products just seem watery, But yeah, guys, like, I'm just like, I'm really feeling the way. I really felt the way about this, especially since I had just got my hair out of a protective style. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was ready to see my curls defined. I was ready for a beautiful wash and go. And this combo did not give me that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to let this part of the video run, and then I'll come back when my hair is like fully dry and stuff like that. On the beat. So here my hair is 1000% dry, and I must say I really do love the short look sometimes with wash and goes, but that's totally besides the point. You guys can see how beautifully this gel defined my curls. Like, this gel is truly no joke. If not for the fact that it flaked, this would have been a wonderful gel. You know what I'm saying? Even my man noticed how good this gel was. We were both hella hopeful. But anyway, so I started to blow dry my hair, and I used my normal process, my blow dryer on medium to low heat. And one thing I noticed about my hair is it was extremely dry. And I thought that it was because of the gel cast, but even once I was done blow drying my hair, it was disgustingly dry. Honestly, it felt like I needed to do 1,000 deep conditioner treatments. And you guys can see the gel, or well, the flaking, not the gel. You guys can start to see the gel already. I noticed that the flaking really started to come through when I stretched my hair. To be honest with you, if I hadn't stretched my hair, I think I would have low-key been fine. But at the same time, like, I like to stretch my hair, so you know what I'm saying? That wouldn't have worked. But you guys can see the front of my hair. It's really flaky. You know, it's just not cute at all. But the curls are really defined, you know, so it was kind of a bittersweet moment for me. But as the days went on, the flaking got progressively worse, as well as my hair dryness. So at this point, I was just trying my best to at least make it to 1 week so that I can wash my hair and do this all over again. So I decided to style it in a way that I thought would conceal some of the flaking, you know, but it really didn't work. Honestly, the flaking was just out of control at this point. It was on my roots, it was on my ends, it was on the curls, it was absolutely everywhere. But I decided to go with like a bang and 2 puffs. I don't know why I somehow thought that would conceal the flaking. And I really didn't want to put it into a bun because I just don't like, and you know, buns are not really that good for your hair anyway. So I just like to avoid anything that'll cause excess tension on my hair. So this is a hairstyle that I decided to go with. And the bangs were looking really crazy, but that's because I just needed to blow dry them and stretch them out. And yeah.
Jackie on the beat.
Okay, so this is basically the hairstyle that I came up with, and it didn't really do what I thought it would do. Like, I don't know why I somehow thought, I don't know. I was just like trying to find a hairstyle that would like cover up all this flaking, but it just looks like there's not really much I can do about the flaking but to wash my hair and start all over again. Especially since, you know, this is the front of my hair. There's only so much I can do, and I do not want to put my hair in a bun. That's such a lazy last resort. I don't want to do that. But this is kind of what I came up with. I think it's cute, you know, for the purpose. And, you know, in 2 days time, I'm just going to wash my hair, and we're going to do all of this over again, and hopefully it will be a much more pleasant process. I do not recommend the gel. Okay, maybe you guys don't know that yet, but I do not recommend the gel. Okay, that is a horrible gel. I would not recommend that gel for my worst enemy. And I just, maybe it's just because it doesn't really, maybe it's not really type 4 friendly like a lot of brands proclaim, you know, to be. I don't know. Maybe it's for the looser curl girls. I don't know. But maybe it's just not for anybody, because I just don't really even see this working on anybody, no matter the hair type. But yeah, y'all, this is basically it for the video. I'm disappointed in this wash and go, but you know, we're gonna come back stronger and better next time. So yeah, thank y'all so much for clicking on the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Read the description box. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.